It's harder than ever to maintain a balanced gut. An imbalanced gut creates openings for unwanted guests, leading to fatigue, skin issues, and digestive discomfort. It's more common than you think. Don't be a host to gut intruders. Shield your gut with ParaShield, a natural herbal cleanse to support your defenses, relieve digestive discomfort, balance your gut, and support a digestive detox. It's a powerful yet gentle defender with organic black walnut hull, organic wormwood, organic clove, barberry root, organic ginger root, and yuzu. Just add the drops to water and enjoy the taste of yuzu, ginger, and clove. Defend your gut, naturally. Support your gut with ParaShield. Perfect for the whole family. Get yours now.